Comment on that, Jeff. On the RBI, the amount of cash being hoarded by the banks and apparently Americans continues to grow. What do you make of that?
Well, we saw that in 1973, 1974, in that recession. You saw it in 1981, 1982. You said it all just a few minutes ago. When people get nervous, they get worried about the economy, they get worried about a recession, they hoard cash. So, I mean, that's what they're doing right now. I think it's a false hoarding, if you will, because I don't see a recession on the horizon anytime in the near future. So I think it's a misstep.
So are you nervous? Are you hoarding cash or advising your clients to do the same?
No, but I always have 5 to 10% cash because you never know when a good idea is going to come around from another portfolio manager that I talk to. No, I wouldn't say I'm fully invested, but I'm pretty invested in the equity market here. And I think the equity market trades higher. I think the economy, you're going to see the trough in the economic numbers. You're going to see the trough in the earnings numbers coming up in the next few weeks. And I think things improve from there. And I think people are woefully underinvested. You got $5 trillion in individual investors in money market funds. So I think that money will eventually find its way into equities.
You know, that is the bull case, Jeff. And I think we showed this like 2 months ago in our RBI or whatever it was. I mean, the days all kind of blend into each other at this point, which is the amount of money globally has only grown. Central banks, thank you very much. And the amount of physical equities to buy in America has shrunk by more than half in the last 20 years. The number of publicly traded companies is down by half. Then you got buybacks. So you got more money chasing fewer things. Is that really, forget about earnings and whatever it is that really the ultimate long-term bull case?
Yeah, I think it is. You're basically now, the Wilshire 5000 is down to like 3,600 stocks. It ought to be called the Wilshire 3,600. So I think you're exactly right. You've got a bunch of money chasing fewer stocks. And again, we're in a secular bull market. And secular bull markets tend to last 15 to 20 years. So we're like 11 years into this thing. It ought to have another, 4 to 9 years left in it. And nobody believes it, Brian.